قرآن کو سینوں میں ہم میں سے بسائیں گے، چہروں پہ تلاوت کا ایک نور سجائیں گے۔ قرآن کو سینوں میں ہم میں سے بسائیں گے، چہروں پہ تلاوت کا ایک نور سجائیں گے۔ تطہیر ہر دل کی قرآن کی تلاوت سے ہے، شاداب رہے ہر روح ایمان کی محبت سے۔ تطہیر ہر دل کی قرآن کی تلاوت سے ہے، شاداب رہے ہر روح ایمان کی محبت سے۔ ہم رب کے حضور اپنے جب سر کو جھکائیں گے، قرآن کو سینوں میں ہم میں سے بسائیں گے۔ قرآن کو سینوں میں ہم میں سے بسائیں گے، چہروں پہ تلاوت کا ایک نور سجائیں گے۔ قرآن کو سینوں میں ہم میں سے بسائیں گے، چہروں پہ تلاوت کا ایک نور سجائیں گے۔ ہر محفل قرآن میں رحمت کے وہ سائے ہوں، اور رب کے فرشتوں نے یوں پر پھیلائے ہوں۔ ہر محفل قرآن میں رحمت کے وہ سائے ہوں، اور رب کے فرشتوں نے یوں پر پھیلائے ہوں۔ جب ذکر و تلاوت ہم ہونٹوں پہ سجائیں گے، قرآن کو سینوں میں ہم میں سے بسائیں گے۔ قرآن کو سینوں میں ہم میں سے بسائیں گے، چہروں پہ تلاوت کا ایک نور سجائیں گے۔ قرآن کو سینوں میں ہم میں سے بسائیں گے، چہروں پہ تلاوت کا ایک نور سجائیں گے۔ نو خیز ہم غنچے ہیں گلدان محمد کے، ہم وارث خوشبو ہے فرمان محمد کے۔ نو خیز ہم غنچے ہیں گلدان محمد کے، ہم وارث خوشبو ہے فرمان محمد کے۔ ہر دست کے سینے کو پھولوں سے سجائیں گے، قرآن کو سینوں میں ہم میں سے بسائیں گے۔ قرآن کو سینوں میں ہم میں سے بسائیں گے، چہروں پہ تلاوت۔
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We all praise Almighty Allah and send blessings upon His noble Prophet. Jami al-Habib is named after Huzur Mujahid Millat Allama Shah Habibur Rahman. May Allah shower mercy upon him. It is situated at Rasulpur in the district of Jagatsinghpur, Odisha, India. It's a great center or institution for teaching and training. The foundation stones of this institution were laid in 2010 by Janasheen Huzur Mufti Azam Hind Taj Sharia Hazrat Allama Mufti Muhammad Akhtar Raza Khan Qadri Azhari. May Allah shower mercy upon him. Muhaddis Kabir Hazrat Allama Ziaul Mustafa Qadri and Habib Millat Hazrat Allama Sayyid Ghulam Muhammad Habibi Qadri. May Allah give them long life. Jami al-Habib is a residential institution for religious and contemporary education. We have a perfectly developed and regulated system for admission and examination. The syllabus contains various subjects of religious education as well as the contemporary subjects of science, mathematics, computer and social sciences. The students are trained to speak and write in Arabic and English. We focus on intellectually and theoretically training the students with the help of curricular and co-curricular activities. The students are also made aware of the importance of moral values and health care. Jami al-Habib is earnestly striving in the field of promoting the teachings of the glorious Quran and the noble Hadith. the beliefs and practices of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah, and the maslak and the thoughts of Ala Hazrat. May Allah shower mercy upon him. The teachers of Jami al-Habib, through teaching, writing, and public speeches, are performing the commendable jobs of inviting the pupil to the right path. They also render valuable services in educational and organization activities. At present, Jami al-Habib has 5 departments for Dars-e-Nizami, means Madrasa syllabus for religious education. Hifz-o-Qirat means memorizing and reciting the Quran in accordance with the established rules of pronunciation and intonation. Tabligh-o-Islah means preaching and reforming. Nashr-o-Ishaat means publishing and printing. And computer education. In a short span of time, Jami al-Habib has established a distinctive identity of its own for its services and contributions in the field of teaching and training. Within 6 years after the academic program started in 2014, Jami al-Habib has produced several batches of students who, after completing the 4th grade of the Dars-e-Nizami here, are getting higher education in various other institutions and universities in the country and abroad. Furthermore, Jami al-Habib has also prepared a few batches of Hafiz and Qaris. As a result of the foundation of Jami al-Habib, various works of religious and educational awareness and social reforms are being carried out for the benefit of the people residing in the nearby locality and adjoining areas. At present, the existing departments require further expansion. We have the plan to construct the 3rd and 4th floors of the classroom building and to add more rooms to the hostel. The foundation of a standard institution for the education of the Muslim girls is also one of the future projects. We wish to provide the students with more and better facilities of education, food and accommodation. We are trying to get affiliation with more Jamiat and universities in the country and abroad, so that our students may get opportunities to enhance their talents and skills. The expenses of Jami al-Habib are increasing day by day. We have no fixed source of income. So far, we have been doing these works with the support and financially help of some sincere well-wishers. Therefore, we request the well-off and prosperous members of Ahlus Sunnah wal Jama'ah to help and support Jami al-Habib for promoting the true beliefs and practices. We request you to take up the responsibility of meeting the expenses of one particular budgetary head or department of Jami al-Habib. You can take the responsibility of meeting the expenses of food and education for the poor and promising students, for the salaries of the teachers. You can donate books to the library of Jami al-Habib, or you can give your donations in cash or kind, like cement, rod, bricks, sand, etc., to the construction fund. We appeal to you for offering your financial assistance to run Jami al-Habib and implement the future plans of the same. Students who deserve zakat and sadaqat are also studying in this institution. Therefore, it qualifies to accept zakat and sadaqat in accordance with the Sharia. For further details, you can call us on the phone or send messages through WhatsApp. The details about the bank account number of Jami al-Habib and the contact details are available on the screen. Your help and assistance will strengthen our efforts and ambitions. Therefore, we sincerely request you to support us in the development and progress of Jami al-Habib and in making it a successful and prosperous institution. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept your sincerity in intention and action and your good deeds. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help us in performing virtues and good deeds. Ameen. With best wishes, your sincerely well-wisher and well-seeker, Sheikh Riyazat Hussain Azhari, CEO Jamia Al-Habib, Rasulpur, Jagat Singhpur, Odisha, India.
की रोशनी हर जगह हम करें, इल्म की रोशनी हर जगह हम करें, इसकी तामीर का यूं सदा दम भरे, इसकी तामीर का यूं सदा दम भरे, रौनके इल्म फन तू सलामत रहे, तू सलामत रहे, तू सलामत रहे, की रोशनी हर जगह